All right, good Wednesday afternoon. I hope everyone's having a nice day so far. It's been another gorgeous start to the day. We've seen a lot of sunshine, quiet weather. Again, thanks to this high pressure to our south, that's going to keep us quiet and sunny for the rest of the day. But if you look off back to our west, we already have a low pressure beginning to form, causing some light rain across parts of West Texas this afternoon. But we are going to see that same system push further south and east over the coming hours, and that same system could bring us some stormy weather and some scattered rain showers overnight into early Thursday morning. For now, we're staying dry, and that's how the entirety of your Wednesday will remain. So you don't have to worry about the stronger severe storms today. Take a look at our live eye cam. We are seeing blue skies. Again, sunshine area wide and temperatures near 70 degrees. Really comfortable out there. Winds are coming in from the south and west at 10 miles per hour. So if you look closely, you can even see our downtown camera there shaking in the wind because winds are a little bit gusty at times, and again, that will continue as our environment's really starting to see those conditions becoming more conducive for the strong to severe storms. Right now, 22 mile per hour wind gust in Natchez, 18 miles per hour in Macomb, 17 in Vicksburg, so quite breezy in some locations, but again, still a beautiful, quiet day for us. Mostly sunny. Temperatures top out in the upper 70s across the region. We could see some 80s on the board, but overall, just a sunny day with warmer than average temperatures. We will stay dry tonight, but clouds do start to increase tonight as well. Starting about 9 and 10 o'clock, I expect those storms to roll into our northwestern counties. And not everyone sees these, and not all of these will be strong to severe, but some definitely could pose a risk. Our wind gusts today staying pretty similar to where we are right now, with sustained winds from 5 to 10 miles per hour, but gusts closer to 20 and maybe even over 20 miles per hour at times. Tonight will drop to the upper 50s and low 60s. Notice how much warmer than average this is for overnight lows this time of the year. Again, because our humidity is increasing, the moisture in the air, and also those clouds are steadily increasing ahead of that front that will be moving in. This is a weaker system, but still something we need to watch out for. The first round of multiple rounds of severe weather. We've been talking about this all week, and now we're getting closer to time, so we're able to really fine-tune this forecast. And starting tonight, likely after midnight, we are going to see the chance for some of those more robust thunderstorms producing some damaging winds. Even large hail can't be ruled out, but there's only a marginal 1 out of 5 risk in place. Earlier today, though, that risk only included areas north and west of the metro. Now, notice that marginal risk has come down further south and even a little for our western counties. So in parts of even northern Adams County, Jefferson County, Claiborne, Warren County, as well as the entire Delta and the metro under that marginal risk. So if you're woken up by some rumbles of thunder or some gusty winds, don't be surprised. This is a look at our high resolution model. Our in-house model still not really showing much of impressive amounts of rain or storms, but I think this is the model that's really going to play out for us. Those storms move in from Louisiana and Arkansas, and that's the higher threat. We'll be back off to our west. But as they do push in, some gusty winds can't be ruled out, as well as some hail in our especially northwestern counties. But notice those storms could hold together, especially with our atmospheric conditions this afternoon. Warm, moist air and breezy winds from the south. So that it's really fueling our environment, if you will. Now I'll take you through the rest of Thursday, and as these storms move to the south and east, they weaken, and that's why that marginal risk is only in place really along and north of Interstate 20, but also for our western counties as well. So here's Thursday morning, things clear up, and we could see a stray shower or storm, but overall that threat comes to an end early Thursday, but we're not done yet. Friday evening and into the overnight hours, we have another threat for severe storms, and this mainly is going to be around the dinner time hour, but continuing overnight into early Saturday. So keep your alerts on Friday night. A level 2 slight risk is in place for Jackson Metro along and really south of Interstate 20, but our far northern counties from Humphreys, Holmes to Atala County, you're under a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk. So tornadoes will be possible, damaging winds and large hail. whenever you have this level 3 out of 5 risk, we start looking at least the potential to see some even stronger tornadoes, which is an EF2 or higher. I'm going to show you the graph model. This is our in-house, and again, Fridays just doesn't look impressive, but you can see those what could be some supercells out ahead of that main line. And this first or second round rather on Friday and overnight into Saturday morning is still going to be strong and have the risk for severe storms, but Saturday is going to be even more potent. Notice this is a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for the entire region, with the exception of our far northwestern counties. So this is likely going to be in the morning, into the afternoon, and early evening hours. I think by the time sun sets, we'll see that threat coming to an end, and Sunday looks a lot better for us. But if you do have outdoor plans on Saturday, or any plans for that matter, just keep checking back for more updates. If you can reschedule, that's probably the best. We're going to be looking at likely a nasty, stormy day on Saturday. All modes possible. Again, tornadoes in the cards for us, as well as gusty winds and hail. So here's the timing. Another one of our models, the Euro model. Again, as we get closer to Saturday, especially tomorrow, we'll be able to give you that closer and more specific time frame, that window. As of now, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. is a good estimate there of that timing, and that's what our models have been showing. Moving through that strong cold front through the afternoon and pushing on out of here by late Saturday night into Sunday, things are much quieter. How much rain are we talking? We could see close to 1 inch or 2 inches on average, but some folks, especially south of I-20, where that bullseye is, closer to 3 and 4 inches of rainfall. So that poses the risk of even some flash flooding for some of these storms to put down a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Watch out for that, especially if you live in an area prone to flash flooding. So we've got a lot of weather to talk about. It's on your 8-day forecast as we head into the end of this week. Active weather remains the story. So as we warm up into the 80s tomorrow afternoon, we will see some peaks of sun, but overnight only dropping to the 50s. Friday and Saturday, that's when we need you to keep those alerts on, have your plan in place. Friday's a weather aware day, most of the region under a level 2 out of 5 risk. Saturday is a weather alert day. Again, charge your devices, have a plan and an action plan ready to go, because an 80% coverage of rain and storms will be in the forecast. Temperatures do make it to the 70s, and we'll see cooler conditions behind it. Sunday looking much nicer, mostly sunny, and temperatures in the 60s. St. Patrick's Day will also be really nice to start off next week. We have a couple of nice days to enjoy, kind of similar to this week. We start off nice and sunny, and then more rain and storms return by the middle and latter portion of next week.